What's up, guys? It's your boy Cody here, and we're back in here for another exciting YouTube video. And as you can see, we are on the Funded Next website. Um, it's just and the reason why I'm on this Funded Next website is because, as you guys know, I talk about pro firm reviews and any good information that will benefit the trading space. So this is very early in the morning that I'm recording this video. Around it should be around 8 o'clock, 8 a.m., 8:46 about, and I decided to just put this content out there because for a while now I've been having consistency issue here on YouTube. So here we are on for the next website, and as you can see, I'm on a page and I'm going to be talking about a service that I've been working on rather, and the two things inside that service. Be talking about a bot that trades XAU USD and BTC USD, and I'm also going to be talking about a manual um, profile passing service as well. So trading XAUSD and USD30. So yeah, so this is an account a friend of mine got funded next. It's a 6K account, and so you can see on the dashboard, you can see the account is on phase one, the phase one of the account. If I scroll down, you're going to be seeing the balance, 6,000. He made the profit target of 8%. He hit it. 5% trading days. I wish they had more trading overview statistics. So wish they had something. Okay, so it was able to pass this phase one after some months and months of back-to-back draw, after some weeks of back-to-back drawdown trading, using the manual service, trading US30 and gold, was able to help him pass this account, and I thought as much to share. So this is the phase one of the account. We passed the phase one. So you can see this is the phase one, and then let's go to the phase two. We hop onto the phase two. You see different accounts. Hop into this is the phase two of the account. Scroll down. Okay, this is the funded account. Let's go to the active. So let's go to the phase two of the account. We have Stellar 2. This is the phase two of the account. Yeah, so this is the phase two of the account. And right after I was able to pass the account, they were fast enough to give him the phase two of the account. Maybe let me check trading overview so if I can see trade he peaked over time. So yeah, this is the phase two, and this is the trading overview of the account. um you can see every single statistics here: loss rate, win rate, best trades, so these are all the trades he took, all the losses, you can see -20, -36, and then if you notice, that the losses are minimal, and then when he comes back in profits, the profits are 3 times the losses, because we make sure we manage our risk to reward trades very well. If the trade is not worth risking, then we don't take it. If the reward is not much more better than the risk, we don't bother to take it, since it's a volatile pair. You're trading on the proper count. You want to be conservative as possible while trading this account. So this is the statistics of everything. It's not about placing too many trades. It's about trading with the right risk to reward, and keeping to it. So as you can see, this is US30 traded all through the account, and that was what passed the phase one. That was what passed the phase two. The account is actually two accounts, 26K. So they were traded similarly together and was passed similarly also together. So this is the phase two. I don't plan to make this video long, so let me go to the funded stage, because after passing this, fundedness was also able to give us the account. Immediately after, we were able to um, do the KYC verification. So we'll go back to account, and this is the funded account. So right now it's on drawdown, but with time it's going to come back up. We're going to come back up. So yeah, so you head over to the dashboard, and think we should check payouts. We should check payouts. It was paid on the account. Okay. So on this particular account, after passing phase one and phase two, yeah, on this particular account, this was the first payout I was paid on this account. This was the first payout that was paid on this account. They have $196 paid, and in total $369.16 paid. All of this, the fee for the refunded fee was also included in this. So after passing that phase one and phase two, this was the payout we got on the two accounts. The first one was 196, and then the second one was 172. So that's basically just it. So I'm basically showing you this account because we've started the service, we have been doing it on the ground, and I've not had the I won't say time, but I've been just waiting for the perfect time to just do a video like this, with somebody's account, and show you guys that this is what we've been working on. So if you see this, you have an account, and you want to pass your account, or you're having issues, you can set up a message. If you want us to connect you to the bot, because we have a bot for it, or you have a personal account and you want to trade, you want a bot to trade for you, and you're too busy to handle your account yourself, you can text me on Telegram and we'll get to work. You can purchase our bot, or you rent the bot. Basically, we'll connect your account to the bot, and then you get to see trade and make profit, and also make loss at the same time. So that's it. Then as for the platform service, the same thing. Text me if you want to work with us, you work with us, but there's a fee attached to it. There's a fee attached to it. So the essence of the fee is so that if things go wrong, we can always give you back your money, in guarantee for not meeting up, because this is the market. We are not market makers, neither are we on Wall Street. We are just traders who have found an edge and decided to share it and help other people. So, but if if things go south and we are not able to pass the account, to refund you the fee. That's the essence of you paying the fee. So send me a message on Telegram. I'll be dropping a link on the description of this video right after I drop it. I'll see you guys on my next video, and peace out. And mind you, I also have a Telegram group as well. You can join it. I'll drop the link. I have a Telegram channel. I post signals out there, so you can as well join that as possible. You can get my DM there too. I'll also drop it here. So without further ado, guys, I don't have much to say. I'll see you guys on my next video. I'll be talking about market structure. I have a video about that. So many people have been asking me about it, so I'll have a video about that. I'll be talking about market structure, and see you guys till then. Peace off.